You read the title, you saw the thumbnail. Miss Fitz is in the kitchen today and she's whipping up some tomato pies. Starting with 2 refrigerated pre-made pie crust, and we're just following the directions right here on this pre-bake. Just press the crust down into the pie pan into all the edges as best you can. And if it tears, it's not a big deal because you can just pinch it back together, and then we're just going to score the bottom with a knife. These are going to bake for about 10 minutes at 450 degrees. While those pie crusts are cooling, we're just going to slice up a few tomatoes, and then we put them in a colander and then pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any extra moisture. Next, we're going to dice pretty finely an onion and a few cloves of garlic and get them in a bowl. To that, we are going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of mayonnaise. Once your pie crusts are cool, you can layer in tomatoes and then just sprinkle some salt and pepper on them, and then add another layer on top and salt and pepper that layer too. And then put in half of your mayonnaise, cheese, onion, garlic mixture, because this is enough for 2 pies, and just spread that over the top evenly. Now we're going to take a half a sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers and 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds or so just to melt the butter, and then stir that up. Spread your crackers over the top of this and put it back in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And man, these things came out great. Like I said, this was enough for 2 pies, so keep that in mind. And you'll also probably eat the first pie all by yourself, because I know a guy, just saying. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and hope y'all enjoyed.